You're scaping and blazing, making gains, running around slaying bosses and noobs. But then suddenly... hurricane hits and power goes out of your home. Does that mean no XP gains? Ballhard's Den boys disagree.
Even in a hurricane, I don't have to worry about my account making gains. Look at this, middle of a hurricane. No power, nothing. Yet my account is still being worked on by Ballhard's Den, alright? Whether you need 99 rune crafting, at 1 defense pure, whatever you need, they will get it done at an extreme fast rate, great customer service. These guys are the bee's knees of leveling and more. They're trustworthy, which is my biggest concern, and these guys have knocked it out of the park.